First of all you have to do is you have to open Google Pay application. Once the application is completely started, this is the kind of basic interface you will be able to see on your mobile screen. You will be able to check out your UPI ID on the home screen itself. Now to add HDFC bank account in Google Pay or to link HDFC bank account in Google Pay, you have to select the profile option. Once you select the profile option, we are on the next page. Again on top, you will be able to check out your name, your mobile number, your UPI ID, and below that you can see you have an option of setup payment method. You have to select bank account, and on the next page you will be able to check out all the linked bank account of Google Pay. Now I have already added 2 of the bank account, but I have not added or linked HDFC account. To link, you can simply select add bank account option, and once you select that, on the next page you will get various options of multiple banks. Now as HDFC bank is present over here, if HDFC bank is not visible in your phone, you can simply select this search option and you can type HDFC over there, and you will be able to get the HDFC bank. Select that particular bank and click on continue. Now you can see it is saying finding bank account. Now I have 2 account in HDFC, which is why it is showing me 2 account. You can select any one account to add the bank or to link the bank in Google Pay. So I'm going to use this second account and I'm going to link it to Google Pay. If you have only one bank account, then automatically it will be added to Google Pay. Simply select continue option. Now you can see adding UPI ID, so you have to wait. And once the bank is added successfully, you will get this successful message. Select not now if it is asking for registering UPI number. So you can select not now. Now you can see HDFC bank account is already added, whereas at the start it was only IndusInd and Kotak Mahindra Bank which was added in the application. We have successfully linked HDFC bank account in Google Pay. So guys, these are the simple steps you have to follow in order to link HDFC account to Google Pay. If you find this video informative, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.